I'm Michelle Barmoy, one of the instructors for the PhageHunters course.
And I'm Michael Hans, one of the other instructors.
Phages are viruses that infect bacteria, and one of the most important uses is in treating infections that are resistant to antibiotics. In the first semester, you would take samples from the local area, isolate them, and grow them in the lab. And then we would look for what are called plaques, areas where the virus is actively killing bacteria. In this plate, you can see plaques. One of them is circled, and then you can see another clear space to the left where the viruses have killed the bacteria.
In the second semester, we'll get your DNA sequences back. We'll be able to analyze the DNA of your virus. That's where we'll be able to tell your virus is new, if you're the first one who discovered it, if someone else has discovered it before. We'll also look at what genes that virus has. About 1 in 10 student groups do discover a new virus. They get to name and publish the virus's information into a scientific journal and database for the whole world to have access to. And it's a great opportunity for students to do research in their first semester, and especially the community college, which don't often get a lot of opportunities in your first 2 years of college to do real research. If you need biology, general biology credits in college, you can come take ACM, take this course, and it fulfills that requirement. If you already have your general biology course but you're still interested, then you can still come take this course and just the research part for credit and be able to get this amazing experience. If you'd like to find out more, please click on the link below or find us at allegany.edu/PhageHunters.